making a cake!
Today we are making a cake at Acceptance Insurance. So I went to Dollar Tree. I purchased everything we need to make the cake, and we're going to bake it in this tiny little toaster oven. Hopefully this does not fail. Okay, Alex, here you hold the phone. We've got Betty Crocker Super Moist Favorites Devil Food Cake.
Spatula.
I bought these finally so we can stop burning our hands and trying to get stuff out of the toaster oven. Chocolate.
Give me some of that.
Fluff. Measuring cups. These should work, right?
Yeah, this should work.
I feel like we should probably clean stuff, but
It's fine.
it'll be in the oven, so...
Yeah, that's the theory.
No AIDS here!
No AIDS.
So we're all ready for a delicious meal. So heat oven to 350 degrees for shank nickel or glass pan. Okay. This doesn't. Oh, it does.
Hey, don't burn off your face.
A toaster oven that's safely perched upon a cardboard box for fire safety.
Yeah, that's definitely a hazard.
All right. So mix cake, water.
Get on with it already.
and large bowl with the mixture. Okay. I hope this is large enough. What?
So what are you mixing that with?
Oh crap!
Way to go, stupid.
Plastic spoon.
All right.
Alright. I got eggs. I dropped the eggs and broke them when I was purchasing them at Dollar Tree. So
Discounted
this
eggs.
one's okay. Yeah, they gave me the eggs for 50% off. That one really exploded.
Boom.
Oh well.
A little extra protein, it won't hurt.
It's nice!
So good.
Oils. So we need a half a cup of vegetable oil. 1/4 cup of water. I have to mix it. The master chef. If you come see closely, you can see how everything is settling in just fine. A plastic spoon sometimes works even better because you can see everything just slips right off of it. Very nice. Everything is settling very well. We got a nice smooth mixture here.
So smooth.
Look at that creamy chocolate. So, back when I was little, we made a cake.
Oh, here we go.
Since I want mixing, there's nothing else to do, so I gotta put on like some that shows. Back when I was little, we made a cake, and we were just finished baking it, and we set it up on the kitchen table, and my dog, Chloe, got hungry, so while we had it sitting on the table, she decided to jump up and help herself. So she ate the entire cake on the kitchen table, which was pretty funny. Mom wasn't happy because we were making it for someone, and she ended up having to go to the store again to purchase everything to make it. So that was pretty funny! Sorry, Mom. nice and thick. Very good. Very nice. All right, we got 2 pans here.
Tip for you. Take a little bit of that oil on a paper towel, rub it on one of those pans.
This guy's got some smarts.
Genius, sir! Good idea. Thank you, Alex, for your expertise.
Expert.
See, now they're clean. Sterilized.
Girl. This will help so that the cake comes out a little easier. Alright, so look at that nice, creamy batter. Gotta get to settle in the entire base. So we get a nice, even spread between our 2 pans. This spoon is making it take quite a while to get it here.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Very nice. Now it's time to bake the cakes. This is the last look you get at this cake before it rises and becomes eaten. Fits. I didn't check to see if the pan fit in here. Perfect. It should be it's resetting, so it should be hot enough. All right. Well, that's it for now. We will come back when it is finished baking. Thank you. It's been about 15 minutes and the cake is still baking in the toaster oven. I'll show you. You look in there, you can see that it is rising, big and delicious. In about 15 more minutes or so, it should be about finished. We'll stick the second one in there and bring this one out for cooling. We'll be back soon. Welcome back.
Hello.
We're going to check if the cake is finished baking. Follow me over to the toaster oven. I'm going to burn myself. Oh man, the top of it is burned. We can practice that better on the next one. Done enough. Top is a little crusty, but nothing we can't figure out.
That's where frosting goes.
And we'll put that one out to cool. And we'll put the second one in for baking. Say bye.
Bye, cake.
See you in another world. Yeah, I guess so. All right, we'll be back again later. Due to the difficulties of baking a cake in a toaster oven, I have to cut off the top burnt part off of the cake. So as you can see, it's got some slight burn to it. So we're just going to take this knife here, and we're going to remove the burn, scrape that off. Once we put the icing on, you won't know the difference. Very easy fix. Cake number 2 is now finished, now in the oven, and it's cooling down. So now we have to put on this creamy, delicious icing onto the cake. So we'll just slap this right on top of there. You can see it spreads quite easily thanks to, I'm gonna say, the plastic knife, because that's all it takes to be awesome. Getting the chocolate spread evenly across the cake head, because that's what it's called. You can quote me on that. And there you have it. A cake. We will be back shortly to eat it. The cake is finally finished cooling and settling. It is time to take a bite and eat it. You said I have to be the penny gig?
You're the penny gig. So if you keel over dead, I know to have a nice big bite myself. Looks like cake. And
It's perfect. The cake part's okay. Let's see. It's cake! It's a success!
it's an office cake.
We did it! Welcome to Office Cake 1.0. Thank you for your enjoyment and following us for some time.
Join us again next time when we make something else.